Why alocasia leaves are falling? Am I watering too much? Does this plant getting enough sunlight? Welcome to Plants on Lens. Hello everyone, we all face so many problems while growing this plant. Sometimes we don't understand the right requirement for good growth. I am bringing you a new video with complete care guide of Alocasia poly plant. If you follow every step till the end, you will be able to grow Alocasia poly like an expert. Let's talk about light requirement. Do not keep this plant in low light conditions. Since it is a tropical plant, it requires a filtered light, which means indirect sunlight. Best thing to do when you buy Alocasia poly from nursery, place it where you get medium light and gradually move it to bright indirect sunlight area. It may take some time to get adjusted to new place, but it will do good. Let's talk about soil mix. Generally, you can use soil mix which you use it for any other indoor plants, and also you can buy ready-made soil mix from online. But I prepare soil mix like this: coco peat, compost, perlite and bark or cocoa chips. Here my advice is to eliminate the soil. Reason: to avoid soil remains moist for long time, because of which you may see root rot. Watering and misting. Watering is a tricky one. If you water very frequently, plant may die or cause root rot. Less watering or not watering at all may cause root rot and less growth. Right way to water Alocasia poly: check 1 inch of the soil is that soil is moist or dry. Soil does not look moist, then water. When you water, water it thoroughly. If you think soil is slightly moist, wait for a day or two, then water it. Misting Alocasia poly leaves. How to do misting correctly? Keep in mind that if you are misting every day, it is okay, but do not let soil get wet due to misting. And if you do not want to do misting is also fine, but keep cleaning the leaves as spiders are very common in this plant. And remember, tropical plants like misting. Interesting one: propagation. When we are talking about propagation, there are two ways to propagate Alocasia poly. If you have multiple plants in the same pot, you can separate them and grow it in another pot. Second way, if you try to check inside the soil, you can see Alocasia poly bulbs. Collect bulbs and grow in coco peat. And this is the best way to do propagation of Alocasia poly. Why leaves are turning yellow? There are 4 reasons why your Alocasia leaves are turning yellow. First thing, overwatering or underwatering can cause yellow leaves. I have explained right way to water in the watering section. Please watch it again. And the second thing, low light or direct sunlight can also cause the yellow leaves. Misting. While you are misting, maybe soil is getting wet every day, which may lead to yellow leaves. The fourth thing is dormancy period. We cannot do much about this as this is a nature, so have patience until the dormancy period is over. Your plant will be back to normal. Some important things to remember during winter. Don't water much. It is okay if the plant is dry during winter. Don't repot the plant in this season. You may see dropping leaves due to low light and cold. Don't fertilize. Have patience until spring is back. That's it for today. If you want to know Anthurium care guide, here is the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.